discovery station with your color, and don't forget to have fun!
You guys excited? You excited, Laura?
Imaginations to create magic! We'll take you down to the factory floor soon, but first we need some designs. Our designers are always very busy, but today it's your chance to help out and design your very own minifigures. Pull your lever forward and backward. Once you've found something you like, press the button to select it. Then move on to the next part of your character. You've got 20 seconds to decorate as many minifigures as you can. Everybody ready? Go! Come on, everyone. White first, then color, then details and highlights, and let's leave black outlines. Well done, everybody. You're doing great. Last few seconds.